Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
steamed fish, aka sumaround.
How about that?
I want one. Alright. Don't be nice, please.
Don't be no over frightened. Make them try.
I don't mean to do it. Alright, we're good.
So today we have steamed fish like the husband said, and he prepared it today. But before we dig in and tell you what we have, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
I like chocolate milk.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit today, because I do. But at the same token, check out my shirt. And this shirt, you see what it says? It's gonna go with the word of the wisdom at the end of the video. So let's see. Go do your thing, First Lady.
Hey, listen, we have beer space now.
Yeah, enough space?
Yeah, we have enough space now. What do you do?
Alright, can you know some I put on weight?
You put it on weight? You're right.
No, my shirt tight.
You're right.
Shirt tight, my youth.
Whatever. All right. So as usual,
Why is doing that? Hey, be quiet over here.
for real,
Embarrass me.
cut it out.
Yeah.
So we have okra. Honey, I don't mean make it to them. I don't know what.
So what we got right now in the sumaround, aka fish, we got okra, we got pumpkin, we got crackers. First Lady love the crackers. We have potato. You see she go on already. We have cock noodle. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see this video, the video is up how I made it, so it's there. But yeah, this is First Lady favorite too. So she said she was craving for some sumaround, so I said, all right, I'm gonna make it for her.
And some white rice.
And some white rice. You know what I'm saying? So that's her white rice, but you know I'm gonna eat some too. But you know, I think look at it.
Guys,
This is the pumpkin family. First Lady, put up your little beautiful line up there, small line. She's too short, you can't reach it. See that? That's the pumpkin family. See that? That's what bring it out. You know we gotta have the crackers, you know? Crackers in the building. Here we go. How is it?
it's phenomenal.
That's when people crave fish, you know? Don't do that, you know? I'm craving fish.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, and we got carrots. My bad.
I can eat just the sauce and rice.
That's what I'm saying. What do you think we save the sauce?
Oh my gosh.
So
The Excelsior crackers.
bring it out.
Yo.
Turn up. Yes, and this, you know I'm gonna tell you. Key West catch of the day.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
This is from what's up?
Sorry.
Wow.
It's good.
Good? Okay. This is from our fishing vlog. Key West. So you could watch that one too and check out the fish them. Mota, let's spit out one. Oh boy.
You know what? We didn't even need the rice. But the rice is a bonus.
I don't know.
Because we have so much food.
Food will be here, don't worry. All that food gonna be done. The rice is a bonus. I got bonus today. Damn it.
It's really, really good. Let me move my fish closer. You know how I be.
You might be cooler too.
With your fish head.
My fish head, you know. How y'all doing? Before we get too deep. See, I can't tell you about the fish head because first I said I talk too much, but I'm just gonna eat it.
He's a typical Aries. They repeat themselves. Trust me, I have another Aries friend. I'm gonna say she can chat.
Thank you.
But that's my boo. I have an Aries friend. I have a Pisces friend.
Oh, a lot of friends.
Yeah. But that's really about. I don't really have. My sister is a what's my sister? A Scorpio. Let me tell you something. Guys, unbelievable. The pepper in it.
That's right.
It's perfect. Anyway, I have a coconut water.
Yeah. Courtesy of the dollar store.
Dollar store coconut water. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Go try it out. They drink good. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
This one is without the pieces.
First lady.
That's my love.
Pumpkin, the fish, everything else. I gotta bring my food up closer. I can't. Watch out. You want the rice, I'm eating off your right. Family, I'm not supposed to have
It's
no rice.
fine. That's not true.
I didn't want right.
Well, okay, that is true. But you can have some.
I don't care. You're not gonna eat that.
You guys just don't know.
Yeah, well, they can watch the video. They will see how it's nice and
But we've had this without any rice.
yeah, we did.
Just the food.
Yeah.
You see the pepper right there? Right there? Scotch bonnet pepper. No?
The rum pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I heard what y'all said. Yeah. What kind of fish is this? Mangrove snapper. Mangrove. They are. Very tasty.
Very tasty. All snapper dappers are tasty.
When we go fishing, this is what we look for it for. These.
No, but hey, when we go fishing, I don't care what we catching up. I'm keeping it as long as it's legal. You gotta make sure I say that before they watch it and go tell people on us.
There you go. Long as legal. Right? Gotta be legal.
Yes.
And in season.
And in season.
Yeah. Oh, potato right here.
Did you guys like our turkey leg, universal turkey leg?
Oh my gosh, that was a bomb.
If you didn't see that video, you need to go check it out.
For real. Yep. Courtesy of the Greedy Couple. Today I can't talk a lot today because you know why? I'm eating fish and first day they say I gotta be careful when I eat fish, son. Once in a while I jump in and jump out. Okay? First day here. Safety first.
Can I have a napkin, my love?
Safety first, so I can't run my mouth too much.
No.
First lady said I can't run my beak.
Richie talk. Richie eat fast. Don't care what it is. So that's what scares me. Because it's fish. But he's so good at it. I don't know how he does it.
You taste those carrots?
Everything, the pumpkin. Guess what? I love pumpkin in this. Every time he makes pumpkin with the steamed fish, I always eat it off.
Yeah. Pumpkin, just bring it out.
Bring it out. And because the pumpkin just absorbs all the flavor, and it's still so, like, it's tender, but it's still have a firmness to it.
Yeah. You gotta know when to put it in the pot. Ah, yes. Good choice. You eat some of the okra already? If you like steamed fish, comment down. Or if you like any kind of fish, comment down. But
So good. Guys, if you make steamed fish, please put the Excelsior crackers in there if you can get it. The Jamaican cracker. Put it at the end though. So it still has a softness to the outside, to the inside, but the outside is
crunchy. Yeah.
I was thinking about this all day today.
Sure is. First, they said I better have her food ready when she come home. I said, sure will.
You love tell my business, you know? I used to me chat too much.
Tell your business. I said, of course, boss. Food is ready. You know what I'm saying? Gotta do that.
Coconut is good enough.
Alright?
Coconut water tastes good.
Yeah, good.
Really good.
Dollar store, guys.
Yep.
Check it out. Go try it. They drink good. If you like coconut, go try the coconut water. Wow, this was the head, you know?
Yeah, do you hear the word you said? Was.
I know. Wow.
But
Watch your talk, sumaron.
remember,
No fish do we think, sumaron.
it's cimarron,
Yeah.
crackers, rice.
Yeah.
It's a lot. But it's all good.
Whenever you don't eat first aid, I'm managing it. Don't worry. Good thing I say you put the rice in.
Yeah, man.
You brush it down. I ain't been all day.
I know. We need that. Well, I had something light at work.
So what's up with everybody, man?
Do we have a story time?
Yeah, one. If you have one, you can't talk. You know, come here and fish, no, me can't talk.
I'm trying to think.
Well, if you can't think about it right now, next video, cause right now, I have to pay attention.
To all the new subscribers, the new family members, thank you so much for subscribing. And to our day one family members, thank you so much for continuing to support.
Yes,
We appreciate it.
we appreciate that.
We're getting there. Diggity.
We appreciate y'all.
Very much so.
Trust me. Yep. Anytime to come do this, me and first lady smile.
That
I
is
would
true.
say yes, all right, it's that time. You know what I'm saying? So,
Talk to the family.
so our way of cooking is our way of cooking. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Everybody cook different, you know?
I like it different.
So, okay, and shout out to everybody that made some of the dishes that we cook.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. That is very true.
Yeah, and if you do decide to make one dish, don't be afraid to send it to the Greedy Couple.
On
Instagram,
Instagram.
yeah. Okay, you post it. Okay. Food, jump with the mountain.
Every time you do that, you scare me.
I jump on. I food, jump with the mountain. Yeah. We appreciate that. You know what I mean? That means we're doing something right. You know? Because how you gonna know it's good if you don't try it?
That's true.
You know? Make it your likings. You know what I'm saying?
Make it where you like it.
Exactly.
You know? Take inspiration from what we cook. And then... Hold on. Take inspiration from what you see us cook. And then make it into your own. That's what cooking is all about.
Yep. I hope you had a wonderful week.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
And if you didn't, we hope we cheered you up.
True.
All right, family.
What?
Nothing.
You got one.
Because listen to me.
You want to tell the family what happened?
I eat my no.
Oh.
Okay, start over. Oh my goodness, family, this is so good. I'm telling you. But when I'm eating fish, I take my time.
Gotta take your time.
You gotta take your time, Tom.
Tom, everything is time. This was good though.
Delicious.
But wow.
Do you guys have any stories of eating fish and the stone and the bone getting stuck in your throat? That never happened to me before, and I hope it never will.
Happened to me before.
But if it happens to you, honey, how do you get it out?
Bread.
Bread?
Or try to throw it up. It depends how the bone.
Ooh.
It depends how the bone get in your throat. If it goes straight down, if it goes sideways, it's gonna be hard. 'Cause you know, it's long. So if it go like this to your esophagus, that's what your name? Esophagus. I get. Calm me down. I know biology. I don't know. I've been out of school a long time. So if you go down straight like this, it's good. But if it turns, that's the hard part. So you gotta eat bread. Something hard to make it come down. All right.
That's why I don't care who wanna laugh and say I'm eating fish.
Here we go. Last part of it.
I take my extra time.
It happened to me before. Yo, I'm good, son. Relax yourself, my ear.
I don't like when he talks when we're eating fish. When he's eating fish, I want him to just eat the fish, swallow the food first, and then talk. We keep talking.
Stop it. Eat the fish talking to everyone that people and boy. Eat the fish. Tell the fish you want to eat. Yeah? Is he? She says she don't want me to talk when I eat the fish. Watch your mouth, you don't tell the people about I eat fish. Yeah?
It's Cimarron.
Cimarron, man.
I'm full.
I'm full. You full?
I'm full.
I'm done. We done.
I ate so much food.
You did eat a lot.
I mean, I have enough money.
You see, I bring out the water. You see, I know you're going to need that water.
You know me very well.
Family, this was a next delicious meal. I hope you enjoyed it with us.
Who is out there mowing the lawn at this time of night?
They don't care. And it's wet.
On this wet grass. We have...
No, okay. Yeah, watch her. Better don't say it no, because she watch it up.
Like I say, look here. We have a neighbor.
Don't say it. She watch your video. We can't say it because she watch our video.
Alright.
Alright. That was good, First Lady?
Delicious. Thank you so much for making it. I was craving it.
Alright. See? Everything is done. Pastor Rich now in the building. What I got for y'all lovely people today? What I got for the greedy fam? Yes, you. Yes, you. Her. You. Alright. Word of wisdom. Think little goals and expect little achievement. Think big goals and win big success.
Wow.
Remember earlier in the video, I showed you my shirt, Limitless. It goes with this quote. So, there's no limit to success. Just gotta go for it. You know what I'm saying?
Go for it.
So, we just going. It don't have to be you too, as we said before. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you put your mind to, go for it.
Go for it.
How you know? Yes, you, same one. How you know that you can't do it and you didn't try? You gotta try. Even if you try, you still didn't fail. You know what I'm saying?
Because you tried.
There you go, First Lady.
You said it before.
Always say it, word of wisdom. We share with y'all. Oh, don't forget, see, I'm off track because I'm in that wisdom thing. Don't forget to like. We share with y'all. Subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are?
The Greedy Family.
All right, First Lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.